Hello, I'm Stefan Alexandru Nekshu, and this is my car service program which runs using Java with Maven. So here's every class here, and a dependency list. And we can go ahead and run the main application here. So let's press run, and I'll zoom in so we can have a look at the application here. Okay, so first it connects to the database, and it shows us a list where we have options for the customer table, for the car table, for the garage table, and the job table. And then we can also process payments, we can show the car with longest stay, and we can also show the average job cost. So first let's try to exit the program here, which works successfully. So the database connection has been closed, and then we can go ahead and run the program. Okay, and let's try to add a customer. So option 1, Stefan, show you 25B St. Clarence Street, AB 25U. Let's see, there's a 734313676. Okay, so the customer has been added successfully, and we can check in the database here. So it's all from customer, and here we go. Stefan show you St. Clarence Street. Let's go ahead and try to add a car. SN21 SAN, Ferrari, Stradale, car year 2021, and the customer ID, which was randomly generated, is 1510. Okay, and the car has been added successfully. And let's go ahead and select option 9 to create a garage. So let's try G47A, and stop Nesco, Callowgate, Aberdeen, AB251BN, and 4567890 for the contact number. And the garage has been added successfully. Let's go ahead and check select all from garage, select all from garage, and we have pit stop Nesco. And also let's select all from car to also check the car here, and it has been added as well here. So let's also add a job, number 13. Let's see, J089, garage ID, let's use the garage we just created, so G47A, 2025-0504, and the next day 2025-0505, and the registration number, I'll use the registration number I used for the car, and let's put cost and offer 150 and 140. So the job has been added successfully. Select all from job here. Okay, so the job is here, and let's see. I'll also show the other options, but first let's go and try to process a payment. So let's see the job ID for this. Let's say it was 089, but before we try to do that, let's make sure the job has 0 here, so it does have 0, and 0 means that it hasn't been paid. And if we go ahead and select the job ID here, it shows that payment status has been updated to paid, and the payment for the job has been processed. And now if we go ahead and select all from job here, we should see that it's now 1 for this job. So it turned to 1, which means that the job has been paid. Okay, and let's show the car with longest stay on option 18. So the car with the longest duration is QA16NAX, and it has 23 days spent in the garage. And let's see, this is the car duration query here. that it runs. So it uses the reg number and day spent here, and it replaces it in the query. And this query is run, and it gives us the longest car with longest state duration. Okay, let's get back to the code, and let's select 19 for average job cost, and we can see the average job cost for every single customer here. So we have one for Stefan actually here. So when Angela Smith shows us the average job cost right here. Okay, let's go ahead and try to edit a customer. So it shows us all of the customers here, and we can select the customer ID of the customer we want to edit. So let's try to edit myself, and my customer ID is 1510. Enter the field to edit, so let's change the forename, and instead of Stefan, I'll change my name to Andrew. And now the customer has been updated successfully, and if we go and select all from customer, it should be reflected. Yep, my name is Andrew Nekshoy now. Okay, and let's go ahead and delete customer. It shows us the customer list again, and I'll delete myself. So 1510 to delete myself, and customer deleted successfully. Let's go ahead and select all from customer, and I have one here which is an older Stefan Nekshoy. It has the wrong address, so the correct one here, Andrew Nekshoy, has been deleted. Okay, let's go ahead and search customer. So we can enter the forename to search. So let's choose a random one here. Let's choose Abdur, and enter his surname, Imran. Okay, and it shows us the details for Abdur Imran, and everything here should be fine. Yep, Springfield Road. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to edit a car. Let's choose a registration number. So let's select from car here. Or actually, it's select all from car. Let's choose a car here to edit. Let's choose my car. So you'll use SN21SAN for the registration. And now we'll change the new make for the Ferrari. So current make should be, let's go for Mercedes. Mercedes Mazda, I don't know, that's not a make. A new year, let's say this one is 2024, and we can change the customer ID or press enter to keep current. We'll keep the same customer ID. So now the car has been updated successfully. So now if we select all from car, yep, it's the same registration number, but it's a different car. That's good. So let's go ahead and select 10 to edit garage, and it shows us the garages here. And let's select G47A, which is the garage I created, and let's change just the address. So I think the address was Gallowgate, and now let's say it's King Street. So garage has been updated successfully. Let's go ahead and select all from garage, and now it's King Street. That's good. And let's go ahead and let's see, we'll edit job 14. It shows us the jobs here, and let's select job ID here. My job ID 089. There we go, and we'll change the, let's go ahead and change the date in. So instead of 2025 we'll change the 05 to 05. So the job has been updated successfully. Let's go ahead and select this. Let's see. What did I change? The date. So it should be, yeah. So instead of 04, it's 08. Because it was 04 before. Let's see. Let's delete a customer now. The customer ID of the customer 12. Let's see. So let's delete from customer. I'll go ahead and delete myself, so that it was 1627, and it's deleted successfully. And now we can show it again, and now I'm no longer there. And we can go ahead and let's see, let's delete a car now. The registration number of the car I want to delete. Let's see, from car here. I'll delete my car, so SN21SAN. Okay, so the car has been deleted successfully, and let's check if it has been deleted. Then it's no longer here. Let's see, let's delete garage number 11. So I'll delete my garage. So let's see if the garage has been deleted. Yep, it's no longer here. And let's delete the job. I'll select number 15, and I'll delete my job J089, and it shows job deleted successfully. Select all from job, and yep, I'm no longer here at the bottom. And I believe, oh yeah, let's also do the search function for each table. So number 4, for name to search, let's go ahead and search for Abdur Imran. Okay, so it shows us the details for Abdur Imran, Springfield Road. Yep. Okay, let's go ahead and search for cars. So let's choose a car here to search. We'll search this one, F66 XFP, and now it shows us the details here. Ford, yup. 4668, yep, so it works. Let's search for a garage. What garages do we have? Let's search for Pit Stop Edinburgh. And it shows the details here. Okay. And 16, let's search for sorry, 16, let's search for a job. And the job ID, select all from job, and let's select a job here. Let's just select this one, J0110, and it shows us the job. Yep, that's right. Okay, and that should be everything. Let's also try to search a garage that doesn't exist. So try to search like Nesca. and it doesn't show us anything because it doesn't exist, obviously. All right, so that's every option in the program. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.